Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is going to be a simple video on how to change out the chain on a chainsaw. This is specifically a Ryobi 14, and I'm not going to bore you with all the little watching me tighten and loosen and do that sort of thing. I'm just going to cover the overview. First off, you've got to buy yourself a new chain. So you can look these up online, go to your big box store. This is a Ryobi 14. I'm using an Oregon 14-inch chain. It's got like 52 links, and it fits all these, and it fits already. I already tried it on, but I thought I'd make this video to show you how to do that. So the Ryobi is real simple. It has these two nuts here that go in these two mounting bolts here, and once you pull those off, the bar becomes loose where you can slide it back and forth. Also, once you got these two things off, you can pull this whole cover up, and that exposes the bar so you can put the chain around it. So what I did to take the old one off right there is I moved the bar to the left like that, and that made this loose enough where I could remove it from the tip here and then remove the old one off the back there. And you just reverse the steps to put the new one on. I put the new one on, it's on right now, and I'm going to kind of snug it here by moving it to the left. Make sure that the chain is in the groove. And I'm feeling. There's some icons that show you which way the chain should go. That's usually printed on the bar, and it's usually printed on the cover as well. So we're there right now, and now I'm just going to put my dirty cover back on. Oh, by the way, this is a good chance to clean back there if you want to have a nice clean chainsaw that should operate a little bit better. So now we just reverse the steps. I touched the wrong button there and the camera shut off, so basically we're just going to button it up now. I've got the bar with the new chain on it, and it's oriented in the right way according to that little graphic on the bar. And now we put this back on. Basically just cover up those two extending bolts, put those through the hole. Easier said than done when you got to hold the camera. So we'll put that in there, and we tighten these two bolts, and left or right set the tension of the chain by just pulling or pushing while we tighten it. And it's that simple. Just use the socket wrench and tighten it up, and you are good to go. So not rocket science. This is going to set you back maybe $15 to $20 depending. You know, the bigger the saw, the more expensive. Typically it's more metal. But that's it. Within about 5 minutes you should be ready to go, unless you want to do an in-depth cleaning.